Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to star sent media on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. This new feature makes it super easy to organize and quickly access your favorite photos and videos right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a few icons. Click on the one that looks like a small media icon. This is where all your shared media files live. Next, choose Media to open your media library. Here you'll find all the photos, videos, and documents exchanged in your chats. Take a moment to browse through and locate the items you want to star. At the top of the window, you'll find the sort icon. Click on it to choose how you want your media displayed. From the options that appear, click on You. This filters the view to show only the media files you've personally sent, perfect for finding your own contributions quickly. Once your sent media appears, look at the top of the window again and find the select icon. Clicking on this lets you choose multiple files at once. Now, go ahead and click on all the photos or videos you want to highlight. After selecting the items, notice the star icon at the top. Click on it and that's it. You've successfully starred your chosen media. Starring your media helps you save important content, whether it's work-related images, cherished memories, or anything you want to find later without scrolling endlessly. To view your starred media at any time, just go back to the media section and click on the starred tab. All your favorite content will be neatly gathered in one place, ready whenever you need it. And that's how simple it is. With this new update, WhatsApp for PC gives you more control and convenience over your shared media. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore more features inside the PC app to make your messaging experience even smoother.